Chaudhary and you're watching AI with Siddharth. So today's topic is kind of a different topic. Today I'm going to show you that how can you build your own 2D game using Unity engine. Now today's the first part. On today's video I will be showing you that how can you create your own animations for your game. So before getting onto the project, you need to download some assets and a software in which you're gonna build your game. So let me show you that. You can see this symbol like over here, it says Unity. You will be needing this software and this installer. Now how can you download these? Let me show you that. Go to Chrome, go ahead and type www.unity3d.com and it will show you this kind of web page. It's an awesome engine. I love this engine. Okay, so go ahead and click on Get Unity and wait for a few seconds and it will open up a new web page. Yeah, here we go. So uh, it's opening up the new page. Yeah. So over here, if you see, we got three options: Personal, Plus, Pro. Now, if you are a studio man or a company watching my video, if you earn more than $100,000 per annum, you can go ahead and download the Pro version, but you need to pay $125 per month. If you earn less than $100,000, let's say 45 or $95,000 per annum, then you should go with $35 package, which is plus version. And if you are totally a new man, got into the game development series and you're just a single man building the game, go with personal, as you don't have a studio and you are free for this. Go ahead and click on try personal and by clicking I accept the terms and conditions and blah blah blah. You need to read these, as I said. $100,000 in annual gross revenues. Stupid things, I know that. Go ahead and click on download installer for Windows. As I'm a Windows user, I have downloaded that one. If you're a Mac OS user, go ahead and click on this choose Mac, and these are requirements to run the engine on your system. So once you're done with that, go to gameout2d.com, type this link over there, type this website over there. I'll post a link in the description, and you'll see the bunch of assets over here for 2D game. The pirates, your II, dinosaur assets, create your own hordes, and many of the others. Now we need our character, so go on and click on freebies. Okay, now over here there are tons and tons of characters. I was working with the robot sprite thing as I'm building a game on this, and I'll publish that on Play Store, but it's my duty to show you and teach you that how can you build games such like that, so that you can earn some bucks using from Play Store by uploading a game. So go ahead and click on Ninja Sprite or any one of these. Don't go ahead and download the Zombie, Santa, or any of these five sprites, because these, in my point of view, they are stupid, cute, and gross. But these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, these are fantastical, and it got really so much varieties of attacking system, except this one. It didn't got any kind of shooting or attacking, but this got it. And Ninja and the Robot are the best. Go ahead and click on Ninja. Go ahead and click on free download, and you'll start downloading your asset. So good to go. Now let me close this. Now when you download your installer, you'll get an icon like this with a shield made onto it. Means it's an installer. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take some time. Yeah. Say yes, and it will load the installer in a few minutes. it takes some time. So yeah, here we go. And blah blah blah, click next to continue. So click next. Now make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Okay, I accept terms and conditions. Next. Now this is a kind of a really important part of the installing procedure. Over here you got the main engine. Don't uncheck any one of these because these are crucial assets and crucial elements of your engine. If you uncheck any one of these, it won't work. And this will be unchecked Android build support, but I want you to check it up because this is kind of really important asset. If you want to build a game for Android, you need this because it's gonna install some Android SDK. If you're a Windows user, don't go ahead with iOS because you cannot develop games for iOS as you don't have SDKs installed in your computer and it cannot install SDKs for iOS. And if you're a Mac user, don't go ahead with Android. If your computer handles both, go ahead and do both of them. As my computer handles both of them, I have clicked both of them. And if you don't have Visual Studio installed in your computer, it will show you the option to install it. I'm sorry for the ringtone. That was my dad. I'm sorry. So yeah. So okay, then that's it. So go ahead and click on next, and then you're good to go. So yes, go ahead and go to Unity. Um, yeah. Well, here this icon will show you when you had downloaded or and installed your engine. Okay, when you have installed your engine, it will show you this kind of icon, and over here it will show you a window. Go ahead and click on new and choose any one of the templates. As we are doing 2D, choose 2D, name your project, location, and then you're good to go. Okay, so let me just go into there. So this was I was just practicing with my for my video, but don't worry, I'll show you each and everything what I did. So let me delete everything, even the player. Yeah. So now you got your engine. This is the first impression what you will see when you open your engine. This folder uh, will be naturally present over there when you install the engine. So go ahead in your computer and the section where you have downloaded your characters. I have downloaded over here. You need your character PNG folder. It will show you in PNG. Now I'm sure that you have heard of the term flipbook. That was in Pages, and this is in electronic. This is just a simple image photo viewer. If I go to the next photo and I'll do that continuous process, it will repeat the action. Let me show you. See, just like electronic flipbook running over and over. So we want the same thing to go on with our animations in Unity. So go ahead and drag your file to asset project window, or you can say asset window. Both are correct. You see it's loading. It's loading. Take some time. Yeah, there we go. So if you open your PNG folder, you will see that we have all the animations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, everything. So yeah, now we want these to get converted into electronic flipbook, so called as animation in Unity. So over here, you don't need to extend this, I'm just showing you. Over here in the left window, go ahead and right click over there, create empty object. It will name you as game object, then change the name if you want. I'm gonna name it as killer or player. Sorry, player. So, got a player, that's an empty game object. Now drag your idle animation, find your idle animation over here. Must be over here. It's yeah, idle 0. Drag it over onto the player and it'll be just alright. Now as you can see we have our character on the screen. Now we need all these 10 animations to work all together. So go onto animation tab. If you don't have it, go ahead and click Control 6 or go to components. Sorry, game objects. No, Windows. Sorry, Windows, and go to animations. It will show you an option for animation. Yeah, over here, and click on it, and it will show you an animation window. Go ahead and click on create. You don't need to choose your location. It will set to by default. We'll name it as idle. So yeah. Now, it's a really easy task. Really easy. It's just a piece of cake, if you listen to me. Yeah. Now, keep on dragging your animations from 0 to 1 to 9, whatever the number is. So go ahead and do that. 0, animation idle 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's starting, 8, sorry, 8, 9, that's it. Okay, so if I play, this is the button, if I play the animation, see it's playing that animation. Okay, this is the scene window. Now this thing over here, this window is called the game window. Where whatever you program or write a script, what you want to see in your game is shown in this window. Let me just run it up, and the animation tab. Where did that go? Oh yeah, here you are. So let me play that. As you can see, it's running its animation. So let me create another animation called running, as in the 2D game we don't have walking animation, we just have running. So go ahead and name it as run. Okay, now it's the same procedure. Drag your run animations and keep putting into that animation tab as we did last time. So let me just find the run animation here. Run 0, run 1, run 2, run 3, run 4, run 5, run 6, run 7, run 8, and run 9. That's it. Now if I play this animation, it should show you the running animation onto your window. Same goes for the game. So that's it for today's tutorial, and create your other animations using the same procedure, and in the next video I'll show you some coding, that how can you control this character using your keyboard and make it good to go, so make it running. So that's it for today's tutorial. I'm gonna wrap this tutorial now, and I'll meet you in the next video. So till the time, happy programming, happy developing, and happy flying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tada, goodbye. See you next time.